What's up, guys? Ryan from I Teach Credit, and I wanted to bring to you the best credit card payment strategy. This is the simplest, easiest way to never miss a payment and to never pay interest, and it works like this, guys. Let's just say this is a 30-day cycle from the 1st to the 30th. On the 30th, they're going to take a snapshot and they're going to say, hey, this is what your statement balance is. Okay, on the 1st, they're going to send you that statement, and then they're going to say, hey, you have to have a payment due date on, let's just say, the 15th of the month. But here's how you're going to manage your credit card. On the 12th of the month, you're going to pay that thing to zero. Absolute zero. I don't care what your balance is. You're going to pay it to zero. Treat it like a debit card. Okay? 2 weeks later, on the 28th, right before your reporting date, you're going to pay that card to zero again. Why? Because it makes it easy to manage your card. 2 days later, on your reporting date, they're going to say, hey, your total balance, let's just maybe say it's only $25. Okay? However much you may spend in 2 days. It's $25. They're going to tell you that you have to pay the $25 by the due date. But guess what? You're going to continue to use that credit card, and on the 12th of the month, you're going to pay that thing to zero again. Why? Number one, you're going to pay whatever your reporting date or your statement cycle balance is. That means you're not going to pay interest. You're also going to be paying it in advance, so you're never going to have to worry about missing payments because you know you've already made a payment here and then you make a payment here. It's not late until it's 30 days past the due date. But if you keep paying every 2 weeks, you're never going to pay interest, you're never going to miss a payment, and you're going to keep your utilization factor low, which is going to maximize your credit score and help you with getting the lowest interest rates possible. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll probably cover it a couple more times. I get more questions on this than anything else. But by paying your credit cards every 2 weeks, you get to eliminate interest, you get to eliminate missed payments, and you get to maximize your credit score. Hope that was helpful for you guys. Any questions, let me know. Any likes, put them below and share it with your friends. The more people we help, the more we all live better. Have an awesome day, guys.